Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today we're going to have a super chill unboxing because I'm on like day 4 of a migraine that will not let up. This is also my Craft Outlet redemption haul. Yeah, I ordered like 2 days after I got that last order in because I needed stuff. I ordered this on a Sunday. It shipped on a Tuesday. It went to Texas, then it went to St. Charles, then it went to St. Rose, and I said, that's it, it's going to be here for another 6 months. But it was delivered today, so ordered Saturday, shipped Tuesday, got here Thursday. Let's open it up. Where is the seam on this box? Where is it? Right there? Okay. Yep. What the hell? And the whole thing fell out. Cool. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna be the first to admit that after the whole debacle with me trying to get my Christmas stuff, I may have panic bought and ordered Valentine's Day in October. But you know what? It's a good thing I did. I see a ribbon I haven't seen before. Look at this. Can y'all see this over here? I don't want to pull it out yet. Okay. Y'all, it is a 2-page invoice. I think I got some stuff in here that I added to my cart and then I saw it again and I added it to my cart again, so I think there's multiples. Okay, I am very interested in that. Y'all see that back there? I haven't seen one of those before. Alright. Wow. Yeah, it's a lot. If y'all are thinking, hey, that looks like a lot, it is. Let's see. How do I want to... I need to sit down. I'm sorry, I have to sit down. Y'all, like, we really don't care. I know y'all don't, but y'all are cool. There was a surprising lack of pink available. Alright, let's see. Where do we want to start at? This is the first one. 2.5-inch dashed edge glitter hearts natural. 450. Yeah, this was $5.44. Cute. 1.5-inch dash edge check plaid ribbon, fuchsia and white. Yep. $3.19. This is not really me, but it's somebody. That's what I always have to say when I look at stuff and I'm like, well, I wouldn't want that on my door, but somebody would, you know? 1.5-inch two-sided cheetah print in linen and red, because cheetah's the new buffalo print. This one's very yellow. I don't like that. $7.25, really? I mean, it is two-sided. Hold up. Oh, that's nice, though. I mean, this is kind of like polyestery, but then this is linen on the back. Okay. Hmm. 2.5-inch white and red floral swirls ribbon. That's this one. This looked a lot nicer on the website. Yeah, this is comparable to like the Hobby Lobby ribbon, the Hobby Lobby seasonal ribbon. But it's red and white and it's glittery and pretty, though. Oh. Alright, now we're into mesh. I'm just going to go through and find the rest of the ribbon first. 1.5 inch swish dot, fuchsia and white. That's this one. $4.95. 2.5 inch medium stripe, black and white, $6.25. I bought this ribbon like 5 times already. 4 inch medium stripe ribbon, black and white. That's the same thing except bigger. 2.5 inch medium polka dot gingham edge. White and black. $4.17. Did I say the other one was $7.25, the black and white? 1.5 inch hearts and stripes. That's cute. $4.75. And the big boy purchase, 4 inch bold Harlequin fuzzy edge ribbon, red and white. I got this for Valentine's Day, but also, I mean, a lot of these I can use with Christmas too. Oh. And then 1.5 inch striped edge ribbon, black, red, and white. That's cute too. That's wired in the middle. I don't like that though, like when they're wired on the edges, but you know what, we do what we're gonna do. Okay. 10 inch poly mesh, metallic hot pink. There's 2 of these. Are these 2 different things? 111. This is metallic hot pink for $3.95. Let me leave this up here so you can compare the metallic hot pink with the metallic pink. Y'all, am I missing something here? Oh, wait a minute. These are both hot pink. One of these, this one is the 111 is metallic hot pink, and this one is I'm so confused. I mean, these are different, obviously. RE1366. Okay, this one is wide foil metallic hot pink for $4.50. This one is metallic hot pink for $3.95. Yeah, this is a little wider, but what is that? 55 cents difference? I don't know. That's interesting. Okay. I think this is the 10-inch polyroll metallic pink. Okay. That one is $3.95. I like those $3.95 ones for base mesh. Metallic red and white stripe. Oh. Okay, there's like 7 of those. Oh, it's these 2 because I ordered 2 of them for some reason. These are $4.75. And this one's nice because this is real heavy and then this is a little bit open. I'm going to start putting these over here. Why is there a 21-inch roll of mesh in here? That's the question I have for you today. Deluxe wide pink foil. $5.95. That is pretty. Okay, get everybody else come over here. Hold on, y'all. Let me organize. Okay. Deluxe wide cream with gold, $5.95. That's this one. I honestly think I got this for the blue and gold wreath that I just finished and didn't use this at all. So, $5.95. We did that one. We did that. 10-inch bold stripe, what kind of 10-inch thin bold stripe Deco mesh red and white? That's this one, I'm assuming. Yes. If you're, I mean, that's what I'm looking for is the item number, because God forbid they actually put the name of the mesh on there. 10-inch metallic ombre mesh, pink, red, and white. That's this one. Yes? Yes, $5.50. 21-inch all foil thick mesh roll. Okay, this is why I got this. This is a 21-inch. Let me put this up here. This is the 10-inch. So this one is more than double. The 21-inch roll is more than double the 10-inch roll. The 21-inch roll was $6.15. The 10-inch roll was $5.95. I think I put this one in my cart first, and then I saw this and I was like, well, I don't like using 21-inch mesh. Y'all know that, but what was the price difference here? 25 cents? No, 65 cents. No, wait. 20 cents. Wow. We can't let my mom find out about this because me and her organized all my Deco mesh yesterday. Now it's everywhere again. Okay, 10-inch black and red. These are two different ones. They were $4.95 each. This is the wide weave. I used the green in one of the wreaths. This will probably go with, like one of the stripes or something. And then 10-inch poly Deco mesh fuchsia metallic ombre. $5.75. This is more expensive. I mean, not that $5.75 is super expensive, but it's got a lot of foil in it. So you can see the difference between one like this and then one like this. That's, what is this, $3.95? So let's see what I love. I love the price of this one. Not gonna love working with it, but I love the price. I really enjoy using these because they give me a little bit of a different texture. As you can see, I'm going with a lot of black, white, red, black, white, pink. Maybe these two are supposed to go together? I don't know. I don't feel like doing another rose gold wreath. Why did I order 2 rolls of it then, you asking? I don't know. Impulse control. I panicked because I was like, hey, if I order now and it takes forever, I might not have it in by Valentine's Day. Which is actually, I'll probably start Valentine's Day. Probably December. So I like the pinks. I wish they would have had more pink ribbon, but they were just not a lot of pink ribbon. I know I'm ordering at the wrong time, especially with Craft Outlet. They want you to order Valentine's Day stuff at the end of January, which that doesn't work for me. Okay, I like this one, but what I don't like is there is some shadowing. I don't know if you guys can pick that up on camera. You can see the red, because this is red, the white is screen printed on there, and then the glitter's on top of that, so you can kind of see the red through there. Not a big deal, but whatever. Let me show you what I don't like about this one. I don't like that it's entirely too complicated for me to open, first of all. He's very arthritic lately. My hands, they don't want to work. I've had a headache. They killed me in physical therapy yesterday, and I can barely walk because my thighs hurt so bad. This is what I don't like about ribbons like this. Like, it's nice, it's cute. There's no wire on the edges. The wire is in the middle, and it's not even the wire. It's like just they use. It has wire in it, but it has it's not like encased as like, you know, the wire in this one is encased inside of this fluffy edge. So like, there's nothing wrong with this. It's just, if you gave me an option of having the wire in the middle or having the wire on the edges, I'd pick the wire on the edges. I mean, it's fine. This, I don't know what I was thinking, but whatever. See, this is basically the same ribbon, except you can see the wire is serged on the edges here. This one's cute. I like that. These, I've ordered these probably, this is probably my third roll of the black and white one. Swiss Dots, standard. This one, I wonder if there was a less yellow option that I just didn't see, because I don't prefer the yellow. The yellow cheetah, tiger, it's not tiger, cheetah, leopard print, whatever you want to call it. This one I feel like will go with this one. Maybe this pink mesh. Maybe some white mesh. I mean, there's, you know, I like to do that. This one is so not me, but I have a bunch of red and natural mesh left over from Christmas that I don't know that I'm going to get to, because I'm about done with Christmas, y'all. I'm just over it. And this one looks so much better on the website. Renaissance 2000. Where do these people get these names for these ribbons from? This sounds like the name of a Jewel album. Renaissance 2000. Is that everything? I think so. Yeah. So that was, let me see. $136. So I gotta look at it as, it's $136, but I see like 4 wreaths already, one of which will probably go for at least that much, so yeah. I don't know why I bought that. I think I bought this, and then I saw it again, and I was like, oh, I want that, and I added it, and then by the time I checked out, I didn't realize I had 2 of them. And this one, if you were trying to decide between the wide foil and the regular one, just get the regular one. There is not enough in here for me to be like, oh, that makes such a big difference. I mean, you can see, like, see, this is slightly wider, but I don't know. Ugh. Now I have to put all this away, but I already have plans to go cry in the shower. Maybe I was going to put these together? Yeah, maybe I wanted to make something totally obnoxious. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. All this is available on Craft Outlet as of, like, October, the beginning of October. So by the time you guys see this, I'm sure all of it will be gone. But, I mean, none of this... Like, some of the Christmas... Like, this is obviously, like, supposed to be Christmas stuff. Some of those might be gone, but a lot of it should still be there, hopefully. And maybe some new stuff. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.